The Moto G73 has a color-rich display that will give you alluring visuals, whether you are playing games or binge-watching movies. It has featureful cameras that you can use for scanning documents and connecting with people over video chat. The smartphone offers optimized performance through its powerful chipset and 6GB RAM. Moreover, it also has a large battery unit and expandable storage. About display and camera. Moto G73 users get to experience engaging visuals through its 6.5 inches IPS LCD display. It also has an aspect ratio of 20:9, a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and 405 pixels per inch pixel density. A 50 megapixels main camera is present on the back surface of the Moto G73. This camera is accompanied by an 8 megapixels ultra-wide-angle camera. It also has to offer two shooting modes, continuous shooting and HDR mode. The front camera requirement of users is completed by a 16 megapixels camera. Let's know configuration and battery to manage the internal functions of the Moto G73. The brand has installed a MediaTek Dimensity 930 MT6855 chipset. This chipset also comes in the company of an IMGB XM8 GPU, 8GB RAM and an 8-core Cortex-A55 and Cortex-A78, 2.5 GHz dual-core, 2.2 GHz hexa-core and 2 GHz hexa-core. The battery unit of the Moto G73 is of 5000 mAh and it belongs to the Li polymer family. This non-removable battery also supports a 30W turbo fast charging solution. No storage and connectivity in the storage department of the Moto G73. Users get 256 GB of space. They can also expand it further up to 1 TB with the help of a micro SD card. 5G and 4G VoLTE networks are supported by this device, while Bluetooth V5.1, AGPS with GLONASS, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot and USB Type-C are its other connectivity features.